Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, September 4th, 2008. Ospraie Management will close its biggest hedge fund after losing 38.6% this year due to commodity stocks. According to Bloomberg News, the fund fell 26.7% in August after a substantial sell-off in energy, mining, and resource equity investments. The Morgan Stanley commodity-related index of 20 mining, energy, and agricultural companies declined 13% in July and August as the slowing global economy cut demand for raw materials. Staying with hedge fund news, Thames River Capital's multi-strategy fund of hedge fund Warrior Fund has climbed to $1.1 billion and is now closed to new subscriptions. Fin Alternative reports that the Warrior Fund, which has exposure to directional and non-directional hedge funds, finished July down 2.82%, bringing its year-to-date loss to 2.07%. The fund of funds is on pace to its worst year ever since inception in January 2003. It finished up 2007 up 27.35%. And in more hedge fund news, Janus Capital Group has launched Janus Advisor Modular Portfolio Construction Fund, a fund of funds that invest primarily in other Janus mutual funds as well as exchange-traded funds, exchange-traded notes, and derivatives. Portfolio manager Dan Sherman plans to use Janus proprietary modular portfolio construction methodology, which looks to leverage investment strategies that are commonly used by large institutional investors such as endowments and pension plans. The fund will allocate its assets among three categories: core, alpha, and alternative. And in other hedge fund news, London-based Platinum Capital Management plans to set up offices in Asia, beginning with a desk in Singapore for its investment professionals. Asian Investor reports that a Hong Kong office for client servicing and business development is likely to follow in early 2009. Mumbai could follow if talks with a local financial services company to distribute principal protected products works out. The firm, founded in 1999 by Chairman Peter Spraker, now manages about $1 billion of assets. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.